The inventor from Russia, proudly presents Hydrodynamic, Automatic, Gearbox. Patent, number 2700106, WO 2020/149764. Author: Omarov, Mikhail, Magomedovich. Purpose: Hydrodynamic automatic gearbox is a mechanism used to automatically change and transfer torque from the input device to the vehicle transmission. Setup: the mechanism consists of cascading pump wheels, turbine wheel, switch mechanism. All parts are assembled in one body, usually installed in the engine flywheel casing. The difference of design of this gearbox, from its analogues, is the combination of the functions of a torque converter and an automatic gearbox in one housing. The gearbox is connected to a single-stage planetary speed reducer, which allows to carry out a direct transmission, in which there are no dynamically interacting mechanisms, as well as a lowered direct gear and a lowered reverse gear. Shown by arrows in the below picture are gearbox, speed reducer. Operating principle: the first pump wheel is rigidly fixed to the input shaft. The rest of the pump wheels are mounted on hubs of the previous pump wheels, with a possibility of free rotation on them, as on the axes of rotation. As the speed of rotation of the output shaft changes, the centrifugal mechanism controls the system of sequential locking and unlocking of the pump wheels between themselves and the turbine wheel, thereby shifting gears. The actuator is a block of electromagnets, which moves the shift clutch in the desired direction, blocking or unblocking the pump wheels, depending on the number of revolutions of the output shaft. It is possible to transfer to manual control mode with one click of an electrical switch. Advantages: for the hydrodynamic automatic transmission, a gear shifting system has been developed, which, by choice, with just one click of a switch, can operate in automatic or manual mode. Also developed was a single-stage planetary speed reducer, with the following positions: direct transmission, in which there is not even one gear wheel in engagement or mutual rotation. Direct, low gear, which allows, within the specified limits, by 2 or 3 times, to lower the output shaft speed, for example in bad road conditions, which in turn doubles the number of gears to be shifted in automatic and manual shift modes. Reverse gear, with reduction by 2 to 3 times. And in reverse, the gearbox works in automatic or manually controlled mode. With such characteristics, the gearbox is 3 to 4 times lighter than its existing analogues, 5 to 10 times simpler in design. Repairable, and has an almost unlimited service life. It allows one to save fuel, due to the absence of a constantly operating high-pressure hydraulic pump, the absence of interacting parts in direct gear. One and the same gearbox can operate in a wide range of engine capacities, while being smaller in size than existing automatic gearboxes. The author of the present invention, for validation of which he applied in all major countries, is looking for an international investor or a partner to mass-produce this gearbox for the customers all around the world. For more details, please email, text or call at mich.omarov@mail.ru, mob.phone/WhatsApp, +79285073881, 03:0020:00 GMT.